Hello friends, today we have time and work problem number 5. तो वीडियो में आगे बढ़ने से पहले वीडियो पॉज करिए और इस प्रॉब्लम को खुद से सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करिए और कल से अगले 5 दिन में एक नए टॉपिक की 5 प्रॉब्लम्स लेके आऊँगी. So now I am going to explain how to solve this problem. Let's start. A tank has 4 inlets. Through the first 3 inlets, the tank can be filled in 6 hours. Through the second, third and fourth inlet, it can be filled in 8 hours. And through the first and 4 inlets in 12 hours. How much time it will take all the 4 inlets to fill up the dam? So 4 options are given. Now for this, let the capacity of the tank be LCM of 6, 8 and 12. 6, 8 and 12. So this is equal to 24 liters. Now let the inlets be A, B, C and D. So according to the question, A plus B plus C, this is equal to 24 upon 6. 24 upon 6. Now second, so this is equal to 4. So this is equation number 1. And B plus C plus D, this is equal to 24 upon 8 and this is equal to 3. 24 upon 8, this one. B plus C plus D. So this is equation number 2. And A plus D equal to 24 upon 12 equal to 2. Equation number 3. It means first and fourth, A plus D means this one. So 24 upon 12. So we have 3 equations, A, 1, 2 and 3. Now adding equation number 1, 2 and 3. We get 2A plus 2B plus 2C plus 2D and this is equal to 9. This implies twice of A plus B plus C plus D equal to 9 and this implies A plus B plus C plus D equal to 4.5. Now, hence 24 upon 4.5 क्योंकि चारों मिलके A plus B plus C plus D equal to 4.5 है एंड हमने कैपेसिटी 24 लीटर्स ली तो 24 अपॉन 4.5 इक्वल टू 5 hours and 20 minutes. 20 minutes. So this is the time required, 5 hours and 20 minutes required to fill the tank completely. So our answer is 4 hours and 20 minutes. It means C is the correct answer, 4 hours and 20 minutes. I hope you enjoyed today's video. For more such type of questions, there are the links in the description. Tomorrow, I will be uploading next video and next topic. So please hit the bell icon to not miss the upcoming videos. Thank you.